In this lecture, we will discuss about different types of hackers as relevant for the ethical hacking exam. Let us first discuss about white hat hacker. White hat hacker uses their skills to identify the weakness in the systems and the networks, typically with permissions of the organization, in order to strengthen the security measures and protect against potential cyber threats. So they basically supports the organization to enhance their information security posture. They are hired by the organization for ethical purpose. Their actions are aligned with organization's needs and they are considered as ethical and responsible. Let us now move to next segment, that is black hat hacker. Black hat hackers are someone who conducts the malicious activities with the intent to steal the data, cause the system downtime, or damage the system. Their actions are unlawful and violate the ethical standards. Grey hat hacker. They operate in a grey area between the white and black hat hacking. Though their activity may be illegal, their intent is not malicious. They may violate the norms but not as harmful as the black hat hackers, and they may undertake defensive as well as offensive actions. Let us now discuss what is red hat hacking. A red hat hacker is a hacker who works aggressively to stop the black hat hacker. Their intention is not malicious, but they do everything to counter the bad guys. They conduct the cyber attacks to destroy the criminal resources. So this is about red hat hacking. Now let us move to the next. A script kiddie is a hacker who does not have much experience and uses pre-made tools and scripts for attack. They primarily rely on existing tools for the attacks, so they cannot have expertise to make their own tools, and they have very limited understanding of hacking techniques. Let us now recap what we learned till now. Which of the following four hacker conducts cyber attacks to destroy the criminal resources? Your answer should be red hat hackers. Next question. Which of these three hacker, that is white, black and grey, acts against the law and ethical standard? But obvious, it is black hat hacker. Okay, so which of the following, that is white or grey, are considered as ethical and responsible? Yes, your answer is right. They are white hat hackers. And now question is, what is grey hat hacker? So basically they work defensive as well as offensive actions. So they are in between white and black hat hacker. Let us now discuss some key aspects from exam perspective. So the first question is, a hacker who works both offensively and defensively is known as, we already discussed this, your answer should be grey hat hacker. Operates in a grey area between white hat hacking and black hat hacking. Does not have malicious intent, though their activities may not be considered as legal, and they work both defensively as well as offensively to serve their objective.
That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.